Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what really happens on the private side of an airport? I'm talking about the ramp, where the world's most exclusive jets land, refuel, and prep for their next adventure. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the fascinating and often mysterious world of airport ramp spotting and private aviation. Now, we've all seen commercial planes come and go, but private jets? That's a whole different game. On the ramp, you'll spot everything from sleek Gulfstreams to classic Learjets, all lined up like luxury cars at a secret auto show. Each aircraft has its own story, maybe a business tycoon heading to a meeting, or a celebrity sneaking in for a quiet getaway. But it's not just about the jets. The ramp is a hive of activity. Watch as ground crews refuel, load gourmet meals, and roll out the red carpet, literally. Sometimes you'll even see pilots chatting with passengers, making sure every detail is just right. And trust me, these aren't your average airport views. If you're spotting, remember, safety comes first. Stay behind the fences, bring a good zoom lens, and always respect security rules. You never know what you'll catch, maybe a rare aircraft or a flash of a famous face. So next time you're near an airport, take a moment to look beyond the terminals. There's a hidden world of private aviation just waiting to be discovered, full of incredible machines and stories you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this peek behind the scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more aviation adventures. Blue skies and happy spotting.